What's up, guys? I just now shot a bird with the Crosman phantom. I will use my scope, the 3 to 7 by 20. So yeah, here's the bird right here. It's a huge ass bird. I think it's a blue jay. I don't know. So yeah, I want you to comment, rate, and subscribe to me. I shot him with the Crosman phantom. I looked through my scope and I just took aim and I shot him. I shot him about 20 yards away from me. So yeah, it's a huge ass bird. I don't know where I shot him at, but I think I shot him through the wing and it came out the other wing. Well, I don't know, but comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.